Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to use text before, text after, text between and text after plus text before function in Excel. As you know, all these functions are used for text, extracting text from any cell. Okay, so how to use this? Here you will see the full name plus email in one cell, and now I want to extract it name and email, okay, in different cells. So how to do it? To extract the name, you have to use text before. So here you will see equals to text before, then it will ask for text. You have to select the cell from your where you want to just extract, then it will ask for delimiter. So here you will see delimiter is less than, okay. In some condition you will see a space is delimiter, but here you will see this is the less than symbol is delimiter. So here you have to just click and enter inverted comma, open, then you have to enter this less than symbol, then inverted comma, close, bracket, close. Now you will see full name has been extracted. Okay, now if you want to extract email, you have to use text after. So text after, then text, you have to just select the cell, comma, delimiter is this again less than symbol, so you have to inverted comma, enter inverted comma, okay, then this less than symbol, inverted comma, less than symbol, okay, then less than symbol, then you have to close, inverted comma, close, bracket, close. Okay, so now you will see email has been extracted. Now if I copied this formula here, you will see all the name has been extracted. But if I copy this formula here, okay, if I copied this formula here, you will see that greater than symbol is appeared. Okay, here you will see greater than symbol is appeared. So how to remove this greater than? You can use text between or text after plus text before function. As you know, text between is only can used, and the person who can use this text between is have to have the Excel 365. So I don't have the Excel 365, so I have to use this text after plus text before function. So how to do it? You have to just click on the cell, equals to, then text, first you have to type text after, then again bracket open, text before, okay, then bracket open. Now you have to use text, just enter the text, okay, cell number, then inverted comma. So I want to extract text before this greater than symbol, so you have to enter the greater than, then inverted comma, close, bracket, close. Now again comma. Now for text after, you have to use just inverted comma, and I want to extract from text after this less than, so you have to use this and then bracket, close. So now you will see this is also and now you will see this email has been extracted. So like this you can use this text after, text between, text after plus text before function in Excel. So if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.